हेलो गुड आफ्टरनून गाइस। तो आज यहाँ से मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ। जॉनसनविल में हूँ और जॉनसनविल से वेलिंगटन जाऊँगा और वी विल टॉक अबाउट रोड सेफ्टी। सो आई विल शो यू द न्यूजीलैंड रोड्स। न्यूजीलैंड रोड्स मीन वेलिंगटन के रोड को बताऊँगा, जिसमें मैं लोकल मोटरवेज और city in the CBD. So let's talk about. So I have started from Johnsonville and just getting out of the car park here in Johnsonville. So let's go. So यहाँ पे look at the signage and the traffic rules. How safe the traffic rules are being given by the authority here, and how they have generated the patient drivers. So you will have to check it out. So well, here in Johnsonville, it's a small town about 10 kilometers in the north of Wellington, on the hills. Very nice. You can have a scenic views meantime. And road skill. Let's check the markings here. So that's beautiful. That's a turning left side, turning towards a market. इसे बीच में देखिए, आप साइकिल लेन को देखिए. सो साइकिल वाला बिफोर द क्रॉसिंग दिस इंटरसेक्शन कंट्रोल बाय द लाइट्स. तो साइकिल वाले के लिए यहाँ पे जगह है. सो सेफ्टी, साइकिल सेफ्टी. एंड अदर साइड ट्रैफिक ऑन माय राइट, यू कैन सी. वो अच्छे से टर्न करके जा रहे हैं. कोई भी टर्निंग वाला होता तो इस लेन पे आ जाता. जब राइट टर्न कर रहा हो तो इस पे बीच में क्लोज टू इसमें आ जाएगा. सो दैट्स सो बस को देखिए. बस इज नॉट स्टॉपिंग एनी ट्रैफिक. हम आराम से निकल गए और गोइंग टू मर्ज इनटू द motorway 1. So just match up the speed. The speed is 80 km/h here. So my speed is now 76, 78, and finally I am on 80 km/h. Want to turn to the right. I'm on the middle lane. So middle lane on my right. These two lanes are going straight to Wellington. Look at the signage, Wellington and Hutt Valley. So Hutt Valley is going to merge into the motorway 2. So I have to stay on this line. This lane, these two lanes going to Wellington. At 85 kilometers, you can see the cameras. That cameras over there. So that is a traffic camera. And because traffic camera can see about 400 meters or maybe 1 kilometer. High definition camera, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer in the straight motorway. But the speed cameras are watching the your speed. They are inclining forward side. That point is called Noranga Gorge. congested point. After since you will pass three lane. Now three lane, and on the left side Wellington Harbour. You can see the CBD all around, and on my right, nice suburb, Nayo, Khandala, and Grafton Lawn. On this, on my right, and we are on motorway 1, and Wellington is about 8 kilometers from here. Oh, look at the traffic, you know, the no horns. No one is honking horns, no one is impatiently taking over. There's certain rule, if you have to take over, if someone is slow, they can join this left side lane. And if you think that, you know, the traffic ahead is slow, you can turn by giving the signal 3 seconds before. So I did here, and I am on my middle lane. There is no problem. I don't want to disturb anyone, and there is, you know, on my right, you know, that you can't see, there is a access lane or like a cycle lane. Further right behind these, you know, you can see the trees behind these trees. That is, you know, the slower lane. And here you can't see any cycles, or, you know, cycles are not allowed on this, or pedestrians are not allowed on this. Totally abandoned on the motorway. But they have given the separate lane for them. The sign is clearly showing us the turning point, that is Murphy Street, Thorndon, exit 800 meters. So if you have seen the exit 800 meters, you can, if you want to turn on your left, so you can choose the left lane. On my right, you can see the Sky Stadium. You know that stadium is very famous for one-day cricket matches. Sorry, it was on my left. I said right, but it's on the left. So that's the Thorndon area on the right and left, both sides of the road. Speed is 80 here, 80 km per hour. And you can see that, you know, they have taken care of these small details for the road users, and that's you know, that to avoid the accident, you know, you know, these small details are to be taken in consideration. Otherwise, you know, it can, you know, leads to accidents. Doesn't matter how you know, like heavy is the traffic on the road. But if the proper arrangement and proper rule and regulations are there, you know, it can reduce this menace. So here's, you know, the every licenses, or everyone who's behind the wheels is trained properly. I'm a little bit concerned because I belongs to, I'm from India, belongs to Himachal Pradesh, district Kangra, Shahpur anyway. So because when I went there to get the license, you know, that they didn't give me any manual, and here we are jipping up. So this jipping up rule is in place. So nicely people are jipping up with each other. So no problem. Nicely I'm talking, and you know, there's no problem at all. Matching the speed of the traffic and the speed of the rules and regulations as well. So anyway, because I haven't been given the this manual, but they said okay, there is the some rules. The manual is hanging on the wall. You go and read it, and you come for for the test. So it's very like the awkward like the situation. And but here everyone is provided the manual. Whenever you want to refresh your self, you can refresh at home because manual is in front of you, or otherwise nowadays manual is you can access online, so you can refresh anytime. uh, so and number two, the authorities are very strict. The drivers and all the the licenses, people behind the wheel, even the pedestrians, they are very strict about the rule and regulation, and they follow the rule and strict mean they follow the rule and regulations. It's a simple thing. They abide by with the authorities, and they realize that they have to abide by, otherwise they can be in the vulnerable problem. But there I seen that the by the people show up while they're driving, and they try to overtake, and these things are in place, and the authorities are a little bit not take this seriously, and these things leads to the more and more accidents. Man, the life is very precious, will never come again once it's gone. So it's our responsibility, government responsibility, our people, road user responsibility, to make sure that no one can hurt with that. And number two, here you can see that even the old cars, the people say that how old car can be driven on these roads. So you can see that the doesn't matter, it's as long as it is passing the brunt of fitness. The cars are there, even the 70, the 80s, 90s cars are there here on the roads. But as long they have passed the brunt of fitness after every 6 months or after every 1 year, depends upon the make and model of the vehicle. So they are on the roads, and they are kept in the well condition. So there is that's not a hassle. One thing I will say that in New Zealand, the fine, ticket is very, the have to pay a very high price. If you make a mistake, it happened once in a year or twice, but the price, the ticket, man, it's very, for the low income people, it's very hard to, pay the ticket of 100, the 50 or like that. So it means that you have hold a salary gone to the ticket. But anyway, the other way, it teaches a lot. But here the drivers are very patient. They if they talk about the 6 months ago I got this ticket, so that's the variance to each other, like okay, he taken the ticket at that point, so or he driven on the bus lane mistakenly, so other people aware about it, they will not do this kind of mistake. So that's the good thing. So the I would like to say, like our authorities in India, they should be the very careful about this, and people should be very careful about safety. So but recently when I visited, the new young boys are there a little bit okay, because they understand the rule and regulation, and authorities have the little bit taking care of it. But still there's gaps in the safety. So safety is the first priority. The safety is not there, it means country is not great. What makes the country great is that skyscrapers, or huge military, or the huge progress. But if we do not care about these small things, about our the road safety, or the sanitary, or these small things, so we can't say we are it's a great country. I will say that this is a small country, but you know the things are so great. Like you know the you can see the in the in the alongside flowers and everything. Roads looks like very friendly to the road users. They will not you can't be upset any time. Look at this guy, the boy, driving the scooter on its lane. And, these pedestrians are not crossing unnecessarily. They are not at the crossing lane, but they are still watching that when it is safe to do so. So that proper sign is. One can be impressed with the sign is, and people are not crossing unnecessarily. They have a points, crossing points, pedestrian crossing. They are using the pedestrian crossing. Otherwise, they are not unnecessarily, stopping the traffic anywhere. तो हम लोग पहुंच गए अभी पहुंच गए ओरिएंटल परेड के पास। ये बड़ा अच्छा सीनिक एरिया भी है और वॉकर्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा एरिया है। और ये देखिए पेडेस्ट्रियन क्रॉसिंग में हम रुक गए हैं, हमारी गाड़ी रुकी हुई है और लोग अपने पास करके चले गए, तब मेरे से आगे वाले ने मूव किया। तो वेरी गुड। आगे खड़ा, नो हॉकिंग, दैट्स फैंटास्टिक, ही मस्ट। सो हम अगर किसी को कोई ट्रबल में है रोड के ऊपर, कोई गाड़ी भी ट्रबल में आ जाती तो उसको पीछे रुक जाओ तो वो अपने मैन्यूवर कर लेता। तो मैन्यूवर करने में 5 मिनट लगते हैं। अदरवाइज हम उसको मैन्यूवर नहीं करने देंगे और साइड में निकलने लगेंगे तो वो 2 घंटे हम वहीं पे फंसे रहेंगे। तो भी ये भी एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम देखा मैंने वहाँ पे। तो ये जगह जगह पे पेडेस्ट्रियन क्रॉसिंग है, क्योंकि ये एरिया विजिट अपने वॉकर्स के लिए है। विजिटर्स आते हैं इधर तो अपने पास करते रहते हैं। और ये साइकिल ट्रैक ऑन माई लेफ्ट, यू कैन सी द साइकिल ट्रैक। साइकिल्स आर सो सेफ अवे फ्रॉम द रोड। और ये हमारी बसेस चल रही है, लोकल बसेस। स्पीड है 40 किलोमीटर्स और हवा भी लगता 40 किलोमीटर्स की स्पीड से हवा है आज। ये रोड साइड सर्विस, ये अपना इंश्योरेंस से होती है। तो जब भी कोई गाड़ी ख़राब हो जाए तो इंश्योरेंस वाली गाड़ी फट ये रोड साइड हेल्प आपको मिल जाएगी। और आज ये देखिए आराम से निकलो, हम चलते हैं। दैट्स वेरी गुड। लोग नहा रहे हैं, ठंडा है पानी, लेकिन न्यूजीलैंडर्स के लिए इट्स नॉट दैट कोल्ड बिकॉज they are much habitual with this cold water. They can swim when the water is about 6 degree temperature. They can swim in the water. They may be feeling very hot and temperature is just 19 degree. अब हार्बर देखिए, हार्बर में कितना ब्लू वाटर है। थोड़ा यहाँ वॉक कर लें, जब आए ही हैं तो। And now enjoy the views as well. We are on, Oriental Parade. आपको इसके लिए बहुत मज़ेदार है ये एरिया। So, what about New Zealand roads?
It's very safe.
Very safe. Okay, what is the reason?
It's a rule,
Rule and regulations.
regulation,
Acha.
and even fuller rule and regulation. So they
Because of rule and regulation, they are being followed very strictly, nicely, courteously. So that's why, and with the cooperation of all these, the authorities, peoples, all the road users. So people, all the road users. Uh, yeah, that's what we have, very safe environment, road environment here. So guys, so guys, do not forget to subscribe my videos, or if you will have any question, please put in the comments. So yeah, thank you, bye bye.